The following video will show you how to set up a Falcon GSM communicator to work with the DSC Power panel. Make sure that the Falcon unit has a firmware version of 4.19 or later. Wire the DSC PowerSeries FSK key bus module to the keypad bus on the alarm panel, and then connect the 4-pin Molex connector to the serial port of the Falcon. Set the serial port format on the Falcon unit to DSC PowerSeries. To do this, remove power from the Falcon. Hold down the push button and reapply power. Push the button to cycle through the panel serial port format options until you reach the DSC PowerSeries format, indicated by a small letter B. Release the button. The Falcon will remember the new serial port format. For the module to determine which zones belong to which partition, you need to fully arm all partitions and trigger every zone, ensuring that each event is sent through to the control room. No programming is needed for the panel to work with My. To connect the panel to the My Falcon app, go to your phone's App Store. Search for My Falcon and tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app. Scroll through the welcome screens by tapping the arrow and select Get Started. Tap Sign Up and enter your personal details to create an account. Enter a password that is secure, but one that you will remember, and tap Submit. Log in with these new details. After reading through this notification, tap OK. Tap Add Panel. Once you've completed all the steps on the screen, tap Continue. Tap on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code found on the sticker at the back of the Falcon. Tap Confirm. Tap Continue. Tap to set device up. Enter your user code. This is the code you use to arm and disarm your panel on the keypad. My Falcon is just retrieving information from your panel. This should take no longer than 60 seconds. You're now at the partition screen, where you can perform various actions on your alarm system. To test the app, arm and disarm the panel. Note that if the Quick Arm feature is enabled in the programming settings of DSC panels, the app can arm the panel even with the wrong pin code, but you cannot disarm it. If the Quick Arm feature is disabled, you will manage to arm and disarm the panel only when using the correct user code.